Cheer everyone. How are you all doing this afternoon? Chur Whanau. Hey, Toroa. Cheer my bro. Cheer brother mighty Albatross. Justice for Doug. Thank you very much for the 13 months, brother Toroa. Hope you're well, my bro. Feel like I haven't seen you in a while. But much appreciated for the 13 months, bro. Hello once again to my brother. How you been? Sorry I'm late. Decided to do some painting with the kids today. Yeah. Then went for a walk this morning. How are you staying positive during lockdown? I've got a house over my head, food, a warm bed, 2 happy kids and a partner, and games. There are some that are unfortunate enough to have that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what keeps me happy, I would say. DP, thank you very much for the 6 months, brother. How are you? I'm good, my bro. It's actually still quite cold. But yeah, we're in spring now. We're in spring, September. And yeah, it feels good, man. Feels good. And Dark Burn, thank you very much for subbing too, my brother. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, not bad. Hope you're well too. Just got a lot of uni and shit on. Fair enough, brother. Hey, yeah, if uni gets a bit too much, don't be shy to cancel your sub, bro. It's all good. It's all good, my bro. I totally understand. It's been a long day in grade school. Dude needs a break. Oh, fair enough. Everyone deserves a break now and again. Cheer, brother Bacon. Cheer, my bro. So you ended up finishing stream around 2 o'clock. Then I had to wind down for a little bit, and then I went to bed. And then straight back up at 6 o'clock. I'm in Australia, but I'll kill you so much more. Cheer, Rico. Cheer, brother. Wait, hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. If you're new to the stream too, we usually catch up during the start, and then we'll get some carving done. I haven't carved this late in a while, in a long time. How did you get into Whakairo? My uncle introduced it to me when I was 12. 12 years old. Hey, just smashing Monica. Good question. Some guy from New Zealand told me, don't be ramarama. I don't know what that means, and he refuses to tell me. That's an interesting word. I've never heard that kind of word in my entire life. What was the whole sentence he said? Oh, because I've never heard that kind of word before. Because rama, the word itself, so we say go te rama tuna, so we're going eeling. I've never heard it been used like that before. Chur Junie. Up to. Hold on, chat, just grabbing a chisel. Broxh did reach level 70. Nah, most likely tonight, but I'm not going to stream tonight. Just gonna smash it with the boys, and hopefully we get it done. Cheer cheesecake. Yeah, I use the IRL backpack just to stream carving. It's all good. Does the trick. Does the trick. So all the stuff I've got for the new setup is still either coming in or stuck at the airport because of lockdown. So I can't really do much about it. Waiting on delivery. Oh, the Zan show. Thank you very much for the sub. Oh, your PC should be in today, eh? Or have you already got it? Thank you very much, Zan show. Welcome everyone from Zan show stream. Randomly open your stream. Your leg has good taste in streams. Chur brother, extra fun. 12 years already, my bro. Well, it's been a year already. Sweet Ryan Hoodie, man. Thank you very much, my brother. Yep, used to full on be a Reinhardt main, my bro. And yeah, kind of fell off playing the game itself. Just waiting on the mixer to arrive. Oh, yeah. Mind you, I don't even use the mixer myself inside. Is that for like volume and all that? There you go. Oh, it was a pretty fun stream last night though. I just had fun mucking around on the old Zoom cam. That was funny. How big is the voice? Geez, I wouldn't have a clue. That big? Yeah. Big enough to be mobile, but still very useful as well. Oh, thanks, Kami. I try and change up the notification thingy every day, just so it's not the same boring thing. What kind of wood? It's just normal pine. It's pretty much. Now this piece I got for free, so yeah, wasn't going to say no to free timber. Most of the time though I carve native, but if you can't get your hands on some native, ain't nothing wrong with using pine or any other timber at that. Okay. Father read was pretty good. All good last night, Judy. I seen you were pretty tired though. I just can't figure out what to level next. I passed out like third game into Velo. Fair enough. At least you got to sleep though, brother. I would stay, but kids have school tomorrow. I can understand that Deadpool, and I like that name, brother. It's like Deadpool, but you're dead. Ever seen on Twitch? Yeah, I was just... So, even though I had some free time yesterday, I used my downtime to try and, like, figure out a few things for the stream and off the stream. I was supposed to have a meeting with the bro, but man, I've just been so busy, like off the stream as well with the other kids. What's up, Snow Lion? Kia ora, kia ora. Yappa, thank you for subbing, brother. Yeah, MDF is the worst, man. I am not really a fan of MDF, mainly because it's mulched up timber and yeah, it has no green. Yeah, nice day out. That's why we had to go for a walk this morning. Had to. How much work do you think you have left on it? Quite a bit. I wouldn't even say I'm halfway. Yeah, I wouldn't even say I'm halfway. What was that? Sorry, it was just my mum. Okay. I heard Rodas ran out of fast food yesterday. I have no idea, eh? Like, we just had Carl's Jr. and I was kind of over it after that. I didn't really want to eat anything burger related. I wasn't really blown away by it, eh? Like, people were waiting half an hour in the line just to get to the drive-through. I was like, man, that's way too keen. Like, before you could even get into the McDonald's driveway, there was about 15 cars worth waiting outside on the road just to get into the McDonald's driveway. Same with KFC. I was like, far, were people waiting that much, eh? Thank you, Lucky Kyrie, for the tier 1. Much appreciated, man. I ended up upping that Valorant thing too. Hi, Gee. I'm good, how are you? Doing very good, very good. Just had a nice busy morning. Kids finally went down for a sleep, so here I am outside. I contemplated not streaming today, but I said I'd get one in, because I'm not going to be streaming tonight. I'll be focusing on hitting 70. And I've got to figure out whether I should level my Druid Pally or what is it? Hunter. My Shaman's pretty much in BC content, but I want to try and get one class up as well into the higher level. And I was talking to Mrs. Broxh about that WoW challenge I want to do with Warrior. Are we leaving the Sully emoji alone today? Oh no, like my daughter's asleep, but she might come out if she wakes up. What do you use to sharpen your chisels? So I use a whetstone. My grinder is still stuck in delivery thingy. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, delivery thingy. Waiting ever so patiently, my brother. And then there's going to be streams where I don't carve at all and we just sharpen our tools, clean them. So that's a little something different as well.
We've said this shit 1,000 times before, but this one different, like I might have lost.
You know, upload our butterfly knife plays from last night. Hello, greetings from Colombia. Hey, Dantri. Hello from Egypt. Like, I want to know what exactly do you do? No meant to be mean. Oh, it's all good. So I do traditional Maori wood carving. That's pretty much what I do. Have been doing every day since I was 12 years old up to now. And it's going to take 2 months. Far as that local, my bro. Did you? Yeah, so someone ended up redeeming, thieving, the bro. One of the bros ended up redeeming the Valorant redeem last night. I wasn't expecting it to, so I upped the price of it this morning. It was 95k. So I ended up having to get that damn butterfly knife. Like I might have lost you, you might have lost me too. It's coming from Brisbane. Oof. Now it's 150. Yeah. Fuck. I was not expecting it to get redeemed there. When I saw it, I was like, oh bugger. And it had to be one of the boys. Yeah, so it was one of the boys that's been here for ages that redeemed it. Because he plays Valorant too, and he knows how much I wasn't going to buy skins.
Yeah, they said it nothing lasts forever. Well, They got that right? No more sitting tight, waiting for that phone light at midnight. Guess you finally over it, night. It's my turn.
It took me by complete surprise too when he redeemed it. I was like, "God, wretched." What time is it for you? 10 p.m. It's currently 2:30 for me. Smiley Bandit, kia ora.
You might have lost me too. It's like all the fake apologies, lies we said before finally come back for you.
And he said he had 50k left.
Come back for me too.
Yeah, I know there's a few that'll be sitting on a lot of channel points. Like a lot.
Hey, $2 grand, hit that ish for a friend. Yeah, yes man, drink the tire for sand. Yeah, red wine, hotel room in the time.
Oh, Danny Beware, thank you for gifting a sub to Jabugio. Oh, thank you, Danny Bear. And also Smiley Bandit, much appreciated for subbing as well. Jeez, didn't you just get here? You can't stop me. Oh, good Savage. Good luck. Any serious carving injuries over the years? I got wood chips stuck to my socks. That was annoying. And itchy. That was about it. Pringle, thank you for subbing as well, my brother. Yeah, no serious injuries. And Destroyer 7198, thank you for the sub as well, brother. Damn. I have only stopped by where a few times and I was amazed at how beautiful the carvings are. Keep up the great work. Thank you, brother Destroyer. Always, my bro. Always carry on. Thank you very much for the sub too, brother. I've got to acknowledge that. So I'm just getting ready to do this. And we should be good. Alright. Do you struggle with any grip fatigue? Nah, because I'm not even gripping my mallet or tools at all. I'm just guiding them. Pretty much, brother. Yeah, never try, I would say. You just relax and let the tools do the work for you. Pretty much. Thank you, brother Marty, for the 2 months. Cheers, my brother. How is everyone though? Are you good? And hello to everyone that didn't make the stream last night. It was a bit of a funny one. I was not expecting to be on that long, to be honest. And hope everyone in West Auckland is safe. Bloody floods all up there. We're good, bro. You good? Yeah, all good, my bro. Just yeah, we didn't really have much rain like up in Auckland, but yeah, we all good. That was out of it to see you, like out of the blue. A month's rain overnight, far out. There we go. I'm good. Spring is in falls right now. Yeah, we're in spring too. We get back into Halo in the future, probably, bro. Because I know bloody the new Halo's almost out. Oh, B-Tree! Thank you for the 12 months, B-Tree. Holy hicka. Good to see you again, brother. Thank you very much for the 12 months, my brother, but most of all, how are you? Good to see you once again, my bro. There you go. Yeah, I haven't really slept that much, so but we'll see how we go. I might be good, so I probably can't go for ages, but I should be good for now. Yo, Beatree, thank you for gifting a sub to Sunburn Tomato. Thank you very much, brother. And ATF Boris, thank you for the 500 bits, my bro. Damn. Damn. Thank you, brothers. I'll just finish this side and then we can get back to it. So I might have a quick draw today too. Okay. From the counter to the floor. Hey, posture check. Okay, I can do that. Hey, Shuffle saying thank you, brother. This looks amazing. Thank you, Oceanic 8. Jeez, I probably said that way wrong. Morning, Minsu. Thank you, Lithium Nightmares, for the sub too, my brother. I hope I said that right as well. Sorry, I forgot to check up my sections. How is everyone though? Jamming anything? Watching anything? I still haven't seen that Witcher thing on Netflix though. Yeah, that's it. Oh, cool. It's 3:30 AM in Morocco. My girl just dumped me. Carving looks amazing. Oh, brother, that's wretched to hear, brother. You can come and chill with us now, my bro. Hopefully this makes you happy, because that's what we want. Sad to hear, brother. Come and chill with us, my bro. You're pretty much stuck here for life now, brother. I just seen old, what's his name? Tim the Tapman has jumped over to YouTube as well. After Dr. Lupo made the jump. Must have been a good deal, eh? While they went over. What are your guys' thoughts on it? I reckon that would be hard, eh? Like for myself, for speaking for me personally, if I got offered the chance to like, or if they gave me a big offer to go to, you know, YouTube, I don't know if I'd want to take it. Like, for me personally, I wouldn't want to. Been jamming WoW and Skullgirls like crazy on my days off. Oh, nice, my bro. Working late again while I listen to the stream. Thanks for the company. Chur Whanau. Hopefully your work hours go by fast, brother. Yeah, so Tim the Tapman and Dr. Lupo have moved over. So they've gone to YouTube Gaming. Tim the Tapman announced his one this morning. I know because it was 5 o'clock and I was trying to put my child back to sleep. Yes, the one that's crying in the background. And yeah, that's all everyone was talking about, eh? I think for me personally, it wouldn't feel right to move because we've made such a good place here on Twitch. I wouldn't want to leave that, abandon that. Wonder why? Oh, you know, money, eh? Must have got a good deal. Hey, Dave! Good to see you, Dave! Something's wrong with that name. Good to see you once again. Not gonna lie, I can't wait for the baby animations to come through. Much better. Here we go. Had to fix your name. So Dave Gricker in the chat right there, ladies and gentlemen, hands down one of my favourite artists on Twitch. Go through and give him a follow. He does art pieces like from WoW to Final Fantasy, and he even does original pieces as well. And wait till you see what happens when you hit 9 months. Can you Twitch and YouTube simultaneously? Only if you're an affiliate, I believe. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I would. It sounds about right. Yep. Elgato, thank you very much. Oh, Ducko, thank you very much for the tier 1. Yeah, I can't wait for that animated short to come out, eh? Sounds like someone does not want to go down for their afternoon nap. Do you still have a link to your store to buy prints, Dave? On your Twitch channel? There you go. I think when it's done, we're going to stop and be like, what have we done? I think it'll start from the point where you're walking into the forest with no clothes on. When I saw the shorts, I was like, hey, I rate it.
One man up and we all rich. Learn from the past and watch the city burn down.
So I'm just doing this side and then I'll get back to it. There are some angles that I'll have to hit from certain angles, just in terms of the grain. Cheers though, Ducko. Thank you very much, brother. Alright. Okay. There you go. Do you play Valorant a lot? Just now and again. Like I had a few games of Valor last night. See that new map that's coming up? New map coming out soon. What else was there? That was about it, eh? That was about it from that little teaser. How often do you get splinters? I'm still trying to get my first one. Never had a splinter once, brother. Pretty much. Okay. There you go. Get around again. How long have you been coming? Since I was 12 years old. And man, 30 this month. The big 3-0. Man, I really enjoyed my 20s, eh? Not gonna lie. Really enjoyed my 20s. Did a few things here and there, but other than that, yeah, it was a ride, and it's time to move on from my 20s now, in a few weeks. Hey Fanta! So lunch settled? Yep, settled and flushed away. The miso was yum though, oh, it was so good. When spring started yesterday, pretty much. Oh, Box Boy, cheer my bro. Hold on, brothers. Got a promotion yesterday. Hey, can we get some poggies in the chat for Box Boy? Congratulations on your promotion, brother. These went to Bromoran, Clueless, Jeweless, Droa, Melmart, Badger Matrix. Congratulations if you got a gifted sub from the brother Box Boy. GG's on the promotion, brother. Congratulations, my bro. You love to see it. Absolutely love to see it, brother. One moment. Yeah. Congratulations once again, brother Box Boy. Promotion gang, eh? You love to see it, brother. Absolutely love to see it, my bro. Thank you for gifting a sub to Oceanic too, my bro. What do you do with your art when it's done? So this is actually a piece I'm gifting to someone. This particular piece here. They don't know that they're getting it, but the joy I get out of it is being able to do a Tekoteko again, which is this three-dimensional figure that I'm doing. But it's actually not finished yet. Once we finish prepping the design, so I plan on designing all the sides too and cutting through. It's a little something I plan to do. 37 minutes. Hold up, I'm just trying to make sure it's tight enough. Mechanical engineer. Ooh, so you smart. Matter of fact, you's a genius. That sounds cool. Box Boy, need more, bro. Sorry, brother, I almost called you cheesecake. Alright, hey, Broxh just joined. Hey, Gwals. You work with much Jade? I have, but it's not where my heart is, eh? It's always been in whakairo and wood carving. Like I've carved the other mediums, but yeah, at the end of the day, this is what I'd rather be doing. Oh heck no, I barely passed college. If you called me cheesecake, then I might find a compliment. Oh, Box Boy. Sorry, brother. Still, bro, that's a mean accomplishment for yourself, getting the promotion. Congratulations once again, brother. Proud of you, my bro. You are the man. It's good to see people you know that you see every day, like Twitch-wise, making moves. Loosening up the grain check. I wonder if they told the other day, oh, GG's man, what are you making? So I am carving a tekoteko. So a tekoteko is a traditional Maori wood carving, mainly being a three-dimensional figure, as you can see. And this is what we're currently doing as a gift for someone. They just don't know they're getting it yet, pretty much. And then I'm going to go and look for some hard timber and hopefully get around to doing Fanta's one. Because I'm really keen to do one. Hey, Black Angel, that's coming along nicely. Thank you very much, my brother. We're getting there, my bro. We're getting there. Any of you fellas watch what happened with the Big Show? Oh, no, I haven't seen any AEW yet. What happened? Hope it wasn't bad. Yo, Box Boy, thanks for gifting a sub to Drunk Gamer. Hey, cheer, brother Robreed. How's everyone doing? Just had my first day of college classes. So fun times, bro. You love to see it, my brother. Good to see you smashing it, my bro. What did you use to loosen up the grain? It's just linseed oil. You can use terps if you want because it digs into the timber more. But, I'd rather use linseed, eh? It's not as harsh of a smell. Kiwi Funster, thank you very much for Billy Gunn turned heel on him. I don't even, not really sure what's going on there. I haven't even watched one. Thank you very much for the sub there, Kiwi. I'm hoping that this grind either turns up this week or next week. Hopefully. And then I've got to go give me some safety glasses. Damn, there's no shops open to get safety glasses. No! Oh, that sucks. Even though it comes with a protective visor, ideally I'd still like to get some safety glasses. Because you just never know, eh? You never know. Yeah, so Bunnings won't be open till level 2. So the only things that are open in level 3 are fast food places. As I was saying yesterday, it's basically level 4 but takeaways. Unless I order them online, I guess, but then that'll take long as well. I'll see if I still got my old ones. They're still brand new because I haven't had any need for them, but I feel like they're gone. Because my kids love touching. Hey Josh, cheer brother. Sorry my bro, I just seen your message now.
Up and down the same road, attempt to remove that. But when she relapsed, we go back to old maps.
Can you do your best clone trooper impersonation? I have no idea how to do one in the first place. I'm not even a fan of Star Wars. Other than Mandalorian. Fuzzlop? Jeez, I didn't really read anything like that in school, eh? Yeah, we didn't really read anything like that in school. That's like, shall I compare thee to a summer's day kind of thing, eh? Click and collect. Okay, yeah, I'll see what I can do. I actually haven't had a look yet. You know, back in English class, my bro was, do your work, Broxh? Like, yes, miss, almost done. I remember when we had to do a piece on Enemy at the Gates with Jude Law. See, what do you remember in the movie, Broxh? Just, Jude Law smashing back that kill. It's like, typical boys. And then with Lucky Mando, yeah, I love Mandalorian, eh? Like, I didn't think I'd get into it, but it's cool. This is the way. Yeah, I couldn't really get into like Star Wars as a kid, eh? My uncle loves it, eh? He loves Star Wars. I think it was because he was a dick to me because I didn't like what he always played on the TV, because he always hogged the TV when we were young. Yeah, so that's definitely one thing about the Star Wars universe I enjoyed was Mando. Especially when Boba Fett turned up on Temuera. From LA, used to valet park, smoking green up in a Vita for her young day. Used to share dreams and selling shows, the Coliseum crowds roar. She had dreams, but I ain't see them. This is the way. And then you see, what's her name? Sasha Banks on there. He made a bit of an appearance from WWE. It was cool though, I really enjoyed it, the whole thing. Like, I was that guy, I was on the fence about watching it, then I watched one episode and I was like, wow, this is actually pretty good. Hence that was the only reason why I got Disney Plus, was for Mando. Then my eldest loved it, so I didn't really cancel it. Just left it there. Now we gotta watch Brave all the damn time. Or High School Musical. Posture check again. Okay. I'll just finish this eye and then I'll do them. Chur Diamond, yeah. Ooh, Diamond Josie, One Piece fan. I see you, brother. I see you. She done seen the world, I ain't even had a vacation. It's amazing. Living on the other side for a while, then she kicked me to the curb when she seen my crooked. Did you see how old Kaido and them are? Their Viva cards were revealed recently. Fuck, Kaido's young as compared to like Big Mom and them. And when you cancel all your shit, you shoot your shot and then you miss. Yeah, I see Tim around Rotorua now and again. Like, he comes to the haka practices as well. Alright, let's get these posture checks in. So I'll just have a little bit of a break and talk to you. We've almost finished the bottom head, which is good. But it's mainly to get these posture checks done. I believe there are 2 of them. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, yeah, we'll just talk as usual. Whew. Last time I saw your Twitch followers were 100k or so, and now you got 1.4. Yeah, bro, a lot has happened since then. And I've just been grateful ever since, brother. Yeah, it's been like the whole thing's just been going up, and now we've kind of plateaued and we've got a nice flow. But it's been good. It's been still enjoying it. Still doesn't feel real, I would say. Jimmy Morrison is my favourite actor. I can't wait for the Book of Boba. Yeah, that's the next one, eh? I can't wait for that one too. I need positive vibes, seeing you feels like it'd be worth it. Cheer stress levels. Cheer, brother. Rena Owen on the all singing Dolly Parton. Alright. Alright. That's not looking too bad. What are your thoughts on League of Legends champ Ilawi? She's quite manly. No. But isn't that one of her names, the bearded lady? But some of my favourite characters are like Ornn, Volibear, who else? Brom, Udia. Who else would there be? Jin. Jin's probably my favourite ADC in the whole game. Rengar. Who else? I like Yorick. Mainly because he has a shovel and he can smack people with it. Donna from Killer. Oh jeez, okay. Let me just check so I can say thank you, my bro. Okay. Where is it? Thank you for the $5, my brother. Thank you very much, Killer, for the $5, my bro. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Question. Are you happy with Jacinda as your PM? Yeah, I mean, she's come over to my house, so yeah, all good. She's bought presents for my kids, so can't be mad about that either. Bro, where are you from? It's still not because, yeah. So I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, yeah, just next to Australia. Yeah. What's the dye shade under your hoodie? Oh, it's my 100 Thieves one. So yeah, I'll show you. My tie-dye one that Aid gave me. Yeah, see? There. So he gave me this tie-dye hoodie and a hat. So that was pretty much the 100T package he sent me when he dropped into the stream many moons ago. What you doing, bro? Doing good, brother. Just staying home with the lockdowns going on. Best thing to do is just stay home. Hey, brother Valoon, thank you for the 17 months, my brother. How are you, my bro? Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Hey, is the rugby this weekend? Since it's over on your fella's side, well, in Perth, but you know. I think the rugby's on this weekend. Hey, Chur AD. Chur, my bro. I also asked around and yeah, not much people got back to me. Chat, so if you can see the bro AD in the chat right now, now don't lie, if you like waifus, he's currently doing a waifu piece and I think he's selling it. So you can feel free to go give him a follow. Now if you say you don't like waifus, you lying. Sunday, oh right, okay. Geez, I gotta fix your name too, Billy. I'm about 17 months late. Hey, what's up, Cena? How are you, brother? Waifu. Yeah. If you watch anime and you don't have a waifu, you are lying to me. Your favorite female character, yada yada yada, that kind of stuff. Cause you may believe you'll always be my queen. Oh, you finished it. Nice, bro. Damn, you motored through that one. Can't wait for you. For me too. Here it is. I'm good, man. Just chilling. How's life over there on the other side of the sun? It's been good, my bro. It's been good. I haven't been able to drop into any streams as of late because children, I would say. But I hope you're doing well too, brother, with your projects as well. What about husbando? Danny Bear, I know who your husbando is. I can 100% confidently say that you like Sakuna. Nick Minute wrong. Oh yeah, the spawn ones. Yeah, I saw that. Jeez, I wouldn't have a clue, eh? Are you gonna look into like maybe even doing like comic panels as well? Hard to control myself. That'll be cool, doing comic panels. Right. I thought about doing this My Hero 4 panel piece I saw. Oh, nice, brother. Okay, there you go. Yeah, yeah. BA Brighton Sky. Yeah. Did anybody reply it? I feel like I might be wrong, eh? Do you sell those? Yep, so I normally do commissions first. So, but at the moment my commissions are closed. Right one, hotel, good times, yeah. Playing for honor. Oh, all good, Danny B. Enjoy. Fuck, I didn't even think that game was still going. Man, they're pumping. Alright, let's go. Where's my V chisel? What are you talking about? Sakuna? Damn. Jujutsu? I know, I think all my girl mates who watch anime all froth over Sakuna. Playing Valorant, just got Reina. Oh, nice. Yeah, I should be focusing on unlocking all the agents. I just haven't really been trying to focus on that. Go Joe's top. Twitter is trending with a day of Twitch. What is that on about? I don't know. I normally log off Twitter, so that's my thing, eh? Normalize logging off. That's what I do. I haven't really seen anything on Twitter today, other than that Tim the Tap Man thing. That's about it. Go ahead and get dirty. Put it on, show me what you about. Wow. So finish your drink, coming down my bed. Pick up your stuff, let's get out of here. The world will never be the same after tonight. Here you go. I can take you there. So much sex in the atmosphere. Like, oh, you can get it on it. No. Stop it till it's low. Bust it, down it. From that counter to the floor. So after the raid last night, when I finished stream, went to talk to the bros last night, and yeah, so I'm gonna be focusing on leveling tonight. So I'm probably not gonna stream because I've got Kara on Sunday. Karazan. I need to figure out what I need. Need to figure out what I need for the raid. Autumn, maybe for you. What's up like this, tick up like this. Yeah, maybe for you, brother. Hey, I guess I'm coming to yours. Yeah, I'm taking care of business. I'm an entrepreneur. I can tell that you perform. Broadway, so I'll just do these fish scales on the smell, and then I'm going to have a draw. I've got an idea what I want to do. I've been thinking about it for the last few days actually, on the sides here, but it's a matter of seeing if it works. Yes, bit conflicted at the moment. Hopefully it works. Maybe probably by to tell you. IP still again. I don't know. Oh yeah, I already banned it, my bro. Yeah, I got told by a lot of people banned this profile, and yeah, I ended up banning it, brother. Yeah. Cheers for the heads up, though, my bro. Cheers, Ethan. Thanks for the comments, brother. It's a bit out the gate, eh? From hate raids to IP stealing bots, like the whole thing going on at the moment. Really out the gate, really out the gate. Good. Like even while I'm gaming late at night, because I keep the chat open just to see if anything happens too. There have been some characters that start commenting stupid stuff in it, and I think they're surprised that I'm watching. And then they get banned, and then they put a appeal in straight away. Wait, you're not supposed to click the plus guy profile? Oh, I don't know, I just went /ban. Yeah, that's all I did, just /ban and carried on playing well. Pretty much. But yeah, it's pretty out the gate with what's going on, eh? Like, it's hard to say if it's under control or whatnot, but it's silly times. Victoroo CF, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Cheers, brother Victoroo. Alright, let's ooh. Someone's getting a growling. I'm surprised I was allowed to stream this late. Usually it's a can you stay inside please, the kids. Yeah man, technology is pretty crazy these days, eh? Gone are the days where you could just grab a Nokia phone and throw it at someone and it'll be quite painful for them. Hang on chat, just cut out these fish scales and we're good. I remember when my cousin wasn't listening to his mum and she threw a Nokia at him. I'm pretty sure he can still feel it today. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he can still feel that today. Phone would be perfectly fine though. Yeah, like with all these people that try and kick down doors, eh? Just throw a Nokia at it. There we go. Yeah. In my home. Ooh. Yeah. I'm wondering if that was Mrs. Broxh that just texted in. I better check. No, it wasn't. Okay, I need to change the songs because we'll be a raid. Ooh, we're getting a raid. Yeah. Cheer, brother Woolby. You're raiding us, my bro. Much appreciated, brother, if that was you. Yeah, it must be. You're the only war bear here. Or the only war bear we know here. I wanted to for ages. Yeah, thank you, brother. Hope you had a good stream, my bro. Woo. Hold on, chat. Just got to move it out a bit. One more. Oh, AD, bro, if you have to go, go, brother. Go be with your family, my bro. Hopefully he's alright. Hope you and the fam are keeping well. The wrong dog, man. Ah, we're all good, brother. Like, yeah, we currently are in lockdown due to the Delta variant, but same old in these times, eh? Same old, brother. Cheers, Sturdy. Cheer, my bro. Alright, I was going to have a draw, eh? Alright, let's, just want to show you the idea that I had, or that I've been thinking of for the past 3 weeks. Denver Days 052. Thank you for the 3 months, my brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Keep on keeping on, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Definitely will, bro. Always, man. Alright. Feel your face, your warm embrace, and always. I remember when we stayed at home. So there are going to be sections on this particular piece where I'm not going to cut straight through to keep that strength. Weatherford, yeah, mean day to go and have a walk, brother. That was us straight away this morning too. Or me and the kids. Saw one of my stepbrothers. Said, "Where's your mask?" He said, "I don't need a mask, you dumb little shit." Said, "I'm all good." Oh, that was JT's piece, Studi. True CK. Man, I don't even know if I can do that, eh? So it's just a bit of a cool picture capturing the moment I installed the eye, and I just wanted to upload it. Do you prefer consistent grain or do you enjoy the unique grain patterns? Yeah, unique grain patterns all the way, man. Straight up. All the way. Yeah, so unfortunately, like, everything's ready to go, but we can't send anything out due to, like, lockdown and all that. Because nothing's open, like, post shops ain't open to send stuff away. Couriers ain't accepting anything as a precaution, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much not taking anything in, so that's pretty wretched. Wondering if I can get away with that. So I'm just having a bit of a draw. Just seeing if I can pull off what I was thinking for the last 3 weeks. Oh shit, didn't even think of that. Yeah, bro, it sucks, bro. Because it took me a while to get everything sorted. And then we got hit with that and I was a bit annoyed. Alright. Okay, how would I do this one? Yes, nice sunny day today. Yes, I do. Sing a song. Oh, yes, I do. Go have something good to eat, Danny Bear. Thank you very much for tuning in. Sorry, just using my rubber eraser to the rest. I just want to see if I can do it. I've been thinking about this design for a while. Oh, mind you, I could do all of that. Why didn't I think of that? Too keen to see the Abies as the box? Yeah, I'm just keen to see some rugby, eh? Me personally. Yeah, so I had 2 ideas of what I wanted to do. Alright. Is there not near the bottom going to be a problem? Nah. The only problem it's going to be is me being the problem for it. Lord, I wish we had some sun over here. It's been raining all week. Where's here? I'm not really sure. Yeah, that won't be a problem, brother. Don't you know? Yeah. No, I don't really think too much like that when it comes to not to. Because then when it defeats you, hello darkness, my old friend. What did I just do with this damn pencil now? There it is. No, that's not it. Where's the good one? Forever losing it. I'll leave it on the voice. Found it. Yeah, my bro, just try to do them as deep as possible, my bro. They do need to be fixed up here and there, but it won't be hard. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, border. Tell me, baby. Yes, I do.
Can you wear the dark?
Yes, I do.
Won't you take me by the hand? Yes, I do.
Alright, one.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we're going to do over. Okay, yeah. Sorry, just brainstorming how I was going to do it. And I want to make sure I do it properly as well. So bear with me, chat. Bear with me, police. Just want to make sure I know what I'm up to before I know what I'm up to. Alright, here we go.
Love overall. Mash it up.
I wouldn't even know where to begin. This is some serious cool. Oh yeah, so I've been thinking about these things for like a few weeks, bro. I think about carving a lot, eh? Like sometimes I'll just wake up and then I'll draw and have this design in my head. Or traditionals, while sticking to it being traditional. It's just a matter of how I'm gonna do it, really. And whether I execute it right is another thing in particular. Can't lie, oh I can't lie. I'm praying, Lord, I'm begging on my knees.
I've got that feeling, you feel it too. It's not easy if we try. Sometimes love we can't deny. I've got that feeling, slowly so true. It's that love we can't deny. I can see it in your eyes. One-on-one is something knowing we must do.
Oh, I know.
The power in my soul.
You can be right hard hoodie. Yeah, brother. Chur, brother metal. I can do this. What I might have to do is make it smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or just do 2. Yeah, maybe 2. Maybe 2. Okay, so what I plan to do, just anyone that might be wondering, what the heck is he up to? I'm gonna try and do 2 faces. Not try, I'm gonna do 2 faces. Sorry, need to correct myself there. Create a clean surface. Yeah, I want to attempt this. I want to give it a good attempt first, and then we'll see where we can go from there. Chet's getting pregnant from the song. Sturdy, thank you for gifting a sub to Mafia Cal. Thank you, my bro. Cheer, brother Spanksy. How are you, my bro? Boom. I can't be doing Guy Fawkes lines, damn it. Proper centre line, Broxh, come on. Hello from Argentina. Hello, brother. Hola. Alright, here we go.
Oh, I can feel her attitude. It's got him going in the mood. She couldn't really understand it. Taking hold of everything.
Here we go. I have a question about your work. What happens with the piece when they're completed? They're either sold as a commission, or it can be a gift as well. This one's gonna be a gift. And I know he took it away. Yeah, so I usually announce when I'm gonna take on some more commissions. He took it away. Do I want to do a... I don't even want to do a ruru. I do this all the time, chat, while I'm drawing. I might even change my mind. I've done enough of them. Let's do something different. How's lockdown? Yeah, all good, bro. Like, nothing new. Nothing new at all, brother. I can feel her attitude. got a woman in the mood. She can barely see, yeah. Taking hold of everything to be over with the diamond ring. Ooh, you took it away. And I know he took it away. Yes, I know. Damn. Okay. I want to carry on and see what I do with this, but this is not what I wanted to do. Fuck, I gotta go even smaller. Oof. I tried new clarifying shampoo and my hair is finally back to normal. Clarifying shampoo? That's the first time I heard of that. Anything else at all? But you usually carve ancestors into works, right? Anything else at all? Nah, not really. I mean, you can do birds and whatnot. Weapons. Right, so... Oh, that kid is still going. I might have to go and see what's up. Now baby, come back. Oh, you make me feel so good. Baby, come back. I love it when you're in my hood. Just another feeling. Matter if you're right or wrong. Baby, come back. Damn it. This would help if I had a ruler. Oh, rubber. It's all good though. It is all good. And I'll try and do a papaka. Face, neck, take it right off the body, shoulder, How many kids do you have? Two girls. Pretty much. Pretty much, man. Circle up. I wanna make it like a body to love. Leg. Da, 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 da. Leg up. Leg down. Damn, it's tilting a bit. This is what I do, chat farm. Usually I'm just thinking while I draw. So I do apologise if this is a bit boring for you, but this is kind of what I have to do. Like if you want me to do this off stream, I don't mind either. I'll carry on whacking away to get this design done. Wonderful. Hello, Tony Govor. What's up, brother? There we go. Bang, little bit gum boom. I don't know what you're saying there, Iceless. Sorry, man. Yeah, I have no idea what you're saying, dude. Seen it on the screen, surrounding me. That's where I wanna be. Working so hard just to get to you. Hey, all good, right, Reed? Sorry, I didn't get much done in terms of the drawing, brother. Good luck with your classes tomorrow, though. Who's the artist? The voice is like Stan Walker vibes. Geez, what's his name? Shedbolt. He's like the lead singer of LAB. Keep forgetting his name. He's the ginger. These are the times in the shadow. Give it another chance, give me anything. Oh, I can't play my way. I walked in your face. Oh, I can't play my way. Nice work. Hey, thank you, bro. Just having a bit of a brainstorm at the moment. Came up with way too much ideas on how to do this section here. These are the times. Walk in the face. Now it's all gone again. Now it's all gone again. Damn, he's got a big stomach. That could be something I'll do. Head. Shadows by LAB. So let me just. I'll leave this here for now. So anything I draw may not be the final thing that I'm going to do. Just one thing about me, chat. It may change as we go along as well. go. Now that looks like a natural body. So I don't know if you can see it. So we got a face here, an arm, body, legs. So that's something that I'm planning on doing maybe. And then we'll connect everything together. I mean, I could even do that like along here, like do a whole section of it and fill this section with something else. So I'm just running ideas through my head at the moment. Where are you from and why is it still daytime? Probably the other side of the world, brother. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. That's where I have lived all my life. Pretty much. Have you ever changed your mind after staying in a piece and started to recover? Nah, never done that. Once it's in, I just leave it there. Look at ya. Yeah, I've never done that ever. So that's one way I could do it. Anyway, so I just wanted to see what it looked like. And then I could just fill it with just to connect it to the main figure. Boom. Alright, yep, that was a nice little brainstorm there. The roots of culture. Alright, time to get back to cutting some of this design out. Ross Mandy, thank you very much for subbing, bro. Welcome to the stream, my bro. And anyone else that's new too, welcome to the stream. So let's get the rest of these things done. Just soaking it in linseed to loosen up the grain. The grain. Alright, here we go, Chid. It won't let me donate. Oh well, leave it alone. Come and watch. Here we go. Hey, Chur Thunder. How you, bro? Hope you and the Ihanuks are good. Oof. Damn, done that right on a crack too. crazy. Ooh, that does look very appealing too. Hold up. They look very, not good. Now it looks better. Nice and clean. Had KFC for lunch here. I'm doing good. My life is good. I decided to avoid KFC because of those two Tegel workers that got the COVID. Pretty much. But maybe I'm in Auckland. Bro, nothing can get through, eh? You do realise that. Taking on the world with no regret. What's up, No Worn 3v3? Oh yeah, Blastoise is out today and I finally bought him. I finally bought my first Pokemon on Unite. I was waiting for it to get released. Haven't had a go at him yet, so probably I'll try him after the stream. Be free, be lonely. Bro, we went and got my COVID vaccine on Tuesday and there was a line like KFC already. Yeah, like it was in Wellington. So it was Tuesday, so obviously we were still level 4. There was this fella that did a TikTok of this person that parked up at KFC already. And I don't think he realised that KFC's here open at 10 o'clock. Cash Bowler, Shark Cola, thank you very much for the 2 months, my bro. Cheers, my bro. What's up, Midnight? How are you, my bro? I can see a rainbow. Yeah, if I hit 70 tonight, then I'll stream Breath of the Wild on Saturday and my first Karazhan on Sunday. I'm so close though, I can taste it. And then we do it all again on another character. Started to get hot over Rotorua. Oh, just a little bit. Like now that winter's here, you can start. Oh, winter's gone. Sorry. You can definitely feel the difference now. So spring's finally taking over. Pretty much opened the curtains and you saw the sun. So there was us out for a walk. Me and the kids. How do I say your Twitch name? Broxh. I want to donate though. Oh, just watch. Oh well. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. Nothing wrong with watching either. out of control with the burning heat. Man, I missed the gyms, Hold up. That's the one thing I haven't really been enjoying is no gym, no weights. Gotta be the body weight Andy. Ain't nobody gotta know no more. You managed to get your hands on KFC? Nah. We had Carl's Jr., but we decided to avoid KFC because 2 Tegel workers tested positive for COVID. And they supply every KFC around the country with chicken. So we're like, nah, we're good. I'll just have some onion rings. I say, baby, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out how when I'm gonna do their WoW marathon thing too. Like 1 death is 1 burpee. And to make it even worse, I've decided to choose warrior. Come together. And I'm gonna learn how to tank in the process. Hey, Chur Judah. You got the Zoom cam set up out there? Nah, I can't do Zoom cam on the backpack. Not till I get the new setup, then I'll be able to. Because it'll be off a laptop. I'm just glad someone clipped the knife part last night when that first round with the pistols. It's near impossible to get COVID from food, man, especially if it's been a supplier. Oh yeah, I know, but I don't mind not having chicken. You are away. Last one. Can you see it? Oh, Thunder. I gotta ask you if you know this particular streamer too. I'll ask you off the stream. I don't know if it's one of your fellas Izanuk mates. They're DMing me during stream and let's just say they were quite straightforward. No beating around the poo-ha bush. I don't know why you play these games. Oh, I'll actually screenshot it and send it to you, my bro. I'm not sure. 'Cause I know he's got quite a few people in your fellas is in a chat now. But babe, it was pretty straight up, eh? Let me just turn the Wi-Fi off just in case it tracks screenshotting. Hands up along the AI. Hands up along the. I'll send it to you on Discord. Do you know that person, my bro? I sent it to you now. It's like, whee! No small talk, straight to it, eh? Bulls by the horns. No, I just thought it was funny. It's like, whee! Straight up the guts, eh? Shit. So I've almost finished the shoulder, and then we can move on. Let me just blow my nose, see if I plugged in at all today. What you reckon, my bro? It depends, like moko, like Maori tattooing, yeah, because most of the designs come from carving, eh? No, but the name looks familiar. Yeah, I thought so too. I thought it was one of your fellas' mates. I was like, I don't even know you, but shit. Not having a go, I just thought it was a bit funny. It's far. Haven't had any of those ones in a while. Looks like your mate now. Hello, Sushi. Oh, I'm good. He was like, holy hecker. Straight up the gutsy. Hit us with the raid, my bro. It's like, oh, jeez. I didn't know what to say because I was laughing. Doing the impossible, doing a small design with a big ass chisel, but hey, it's not impossible because I just did it. This is smooth, one. Ah, thanks, brother. Hello, the real soy sauce. Sure, my bro. Hey. I don't know if Thieving's here, but I upped the price of that Valorant thing anyway. Someone's being naughty. Hey. Bloody annoying split right down the bloody middle. Here we go, chat. There ain't no use when the world that you love is gone away. Love your work. Greetings from Chile. Hola, brother. Much appreciated for the kind words, my bro. Just finishing up the shoulder, my bro. And we can move on. Just looking over it as we go along too, just in case I missed anything as well. Gonna head out and get some rest. Shot for the stream, brother, and Port Māori in, my bro. Shot for tuning in and have a good rest day. Mr. 305. Good night, my bro. Yeah, it's alright. Ooh, gotta make a change. Ain't no use. Okay, one more section on the arm and then this. Are you still doing the showcase, my bro? Or kua mutu ke tō wāhanga? Cheers, Ziggy! What day is it? Cheer, my bro. Hard, bro. I've given up on asking what day it is. I just wake up and do my thing. I can keep wandering. Lucky you having takeaways. Got donuts delivered this morning from Mama's Donuts. What a lifesaver. Oh, they do delivery. But I wish we had something like that here. I mean, we got baked, but it's hard to get donuts from them because everyone wants to eat them. And I don't even know if BP's open, so we can't get Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme, round like a rim, got a hole in it. Yeah, all done, my bro. Couldn't go as hard as I wanted to, but yeah, can't complain. All good, bro. Do you know if you got nominated for this month? Because Ratchet, I think I got an email about it. It's like, tried Mama's Donuts in Tauranga. Yeah, I have, but the ones I've tried first was Hamilton. Everything is alright. Just put your trust in me, brothers and sisters. Soon you'll see that your dreams are more than just fantasy. Auckland, ooh, true. Dustless Vale, thank you very much for the bit. Okay, now we're on the mouth. Now let's finish the head, There's like 4 more to do up there. Oh yeah. Okay. Put the sun on it. I don't think I did. I don't think it would have been fair. It's got some design work for it. Yeah, I saw that. I also saw your Darkstalkers piece you done. That was me. And before you say it's alright. Alright, here we go. "5 years old, damn! And it just showed up now." I was like, "Oosh, you look like Jason Momoa. Have you even seen my face in stream yet?" I swear it's just been thighs, gumboots, and hands. Lovely work, by the way. Thank you very much, brother. There he is. There's the bloody butterfly knife bugger there. Have a look at it now, my bro. Because of you, I upped it. These boots are looking fine though. Thank you, my bro. These are pretty much me everyday shoe. Alright, let me just do this. So we'll do these head pieces. Then we'll look at doing the mouth as well. But it's looking all good so far. There we go. Hello, Sulfurous reference by any chance? Can't wait till this bloody grinder gets here, man. Ooh. There you go. Come back the other way. Oof. Hello from Mexico. Love your work. Hello once again, brother. Hope you're doing well over there, my bro. Hope you are doing well. Hope everyone's alright in chat. I know it's a bit all over the place at the moment. we should be good. I've got to check on Mrs. Broxh too. Alright. What type of wood are you carving? So it's just normal pine pretty much. That's so it's not a two-piece as well, it's just one slab of timber. So planning to do a bit of a backboard that I'm going to be designing as well. There we go. I'm rolling out the door. The life of love and nowhere else to go. Oh Lord, I know just want to be free. Running. Oh Lord, I know. So mesmerizing. Thunder, I'm probably going to ignore that message. Somebody make a move. Alright chat, I'll be back very soon. I'm just going to go see if Mrs. Broxh is all good. But I think the head's done too. Head, face down the bottom. Oh damn! Metal answer, thank you for the 5 gifted subs, brother. They went to Elders, Zvunk, DBS Mate, Spitfire, Brittany Galaxy, and Warzabre. Thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. I'm just gonna go and check on Mrs. Broxh right now to see if she's okay, and we'll get back to it. So, won't be long, I'll be very fast, and don't do anything silly. Oh right, she's all good. She's all good, carry on, she's reading Harry Potter. Think it, running everywhere for you. Oh no, ooh. Still can't decide a AD. Oh well. Do something else. Which book? The first one, Philosopher's Stone. So she's going to try and read through all of them. Because she's never read through all of them before. Oh, not in a while. Sorry, time to listen to some game theme music. I still got to figure out Nuzlocke chat, where to get it. Imagine playing HP boys. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. All the voyages are rough and the winds are blow, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oliver John and Leo. To Audible. Oh, right. Yeah, she just goes, oh, I feel like reading all the Harry Potters. Have fun, I'm not listening. So you're going to read with me? So hell no. When the kids are asleep and you're reading, I'm playing the game. Time to play the game. There you go. I remember this theme. Ooh, reading. Hardy. Man carving. Thank you, Sydney. Kia ora, bro. Here we are. Whew. Geez, I don't know how long I can keep this announcement in for one of these events that I'm going to be a part of. They haven't gotten back to me, so I'm guessing I'm allowed to tell. Well, I think I am. Might just DM all the bros privately. Oh, cheers, middle answer. I just see, have fun. Have fun, brother, that's all it's about. Always has been, brother. Always will be for me. Alright, so that arm's been cleaned up. Arm's been cleaned. Get all the chips off. Mouth has been cleaned as well. All the untouched areas. I might give the midsection a bit of a scrub up again towards the end. Towards the end. And we'll see what it looks like from there. Hopefully good air. Oof, can't get. Might have a bit of a posture check / smoko break soon. I watched some Dot Hack last night. If I haven't seen that anime in a long time. I remember when I used to play that game too. I think I spent most of my time on the game just throwing items into the fountain and getting better stuff. Pretty much. Hold up, chat. Ooh. Boom. Yeah, hard mode, bro. I fully agree with that. What was it? Black Rose, Kite? The guy with the feather cape. Yeah, it was a good anime. Like, I've been enjoying rewatching it again. Because I remember, what were those books? Oh, my cousin, he got a game book with heaps of like cheats in it. From fatalities to GTA cheats and whatnot, and it had like an anime DVD in it. It had that, Gad Guard. I can't remember the other two. I think it was Ghost in the Shell. But I liked the dot hack one at the time. And that Gad Guard one was pretty cool too, with those robots. Oh, they had one episode of Full Metal Alchemist on it. No, I remember. Oh, hold on, chat. Yo, Chanted, thank you very much for the sub, bro. Sorry I missed that, brother. But much appreciated, my bro. What happened there? Oh, try to type a silly message, okay. Feel like everyone has done the GTA cheat. Yeah, what's up? Oh, and circle R2, up, down, up, down, up, down, wanted level. That was dope. Oh, true. I didn't even know that. Like, even now I searched up on the PlayStation store and I saw a dot hack game in there. But I probably won't get it because I prefer to play the ones where you get to play kite. Broxh, what's the craziest gaming moment that you can remember? Craziest one? Honestly don't know, eh? Like, I don't think I've had that type of moment in a game. Like a crazy, holy shit, what just happened moment. Like, I lost my shit when I saw Rexar again in BC many years ago. Because he's one of my favourite characters. If that counts, I'm not really sure. I don't think it does. Yeah, nah, I'm not really sure, brother. How's lockdown treating you, brother? Went out and about and got a kite? Yeah, we had Carl's Junior yesterday, and that was alright. But we went straight back onto healthy eating pretty much after that. Like, there's some tryhards out there still waiting in line. Like, the line wait up starts at around 6. I was like, fuck, don't you have anything else to do? Because I'm usually going for my brain walks around that time. Just thinking of planning while I'm walking around. Enjoying the fresh air. The butterfly kills. Yeah. I'm gonna upload that to TikTok. It was a nice laugh. It's the knife. It's the knife. Had one of those shiny Pokemon moments we did. Alright. Get my 5. Looking good, brother. Cheer, juice. Cheer, my bro. Okay, that's enough Zelda, eh? Mini menu, mini menu, mini menu. What can I bloody play? Just in a game music mood today. Yep, time for a break. I'll do one more.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me. Hello, Yoni. Just seeing which one I can do that it won't be too much of an hassle. Ooh. Now is this damn pencil gone? Sports. What? Sure, Kiwi, Mr. Beast. We the Kiwi Mr. Beast, eh? There we go. More. Loving the sun on it at the moment. Some natural light. It's a fantastic song. Cheer, Kent. Cheer, my bro. My wife has their Zara song as an alarm sound, so I would be falling, getting up, looking for the alarm until I realised it was the stream. Oh damn, my bad, bro. Oh damn, sorry, brother. Oh. Go. So we've got one more in this section here. One more in that section, and then pretty much two left to go. We're watching you for the first stream. Whereabouts in Tuhoi are you from? The whole place, the whole area. All of it. Hold on, find it. Yeah, all of it pretty much. Oh, Chur, are you from Rua? Oi, kitty, eh? One moment, Whanau. Sorry if I'm in the way. Sick right on hoodie, brother. Hey, thank you, my bro. Yeah, favorite hero. Even though I don't really play Overwatch anymore. Hopefully Overwatch 2 is better. He is hoping though. He is hoping. One moment. Here we go. Boom. Hey Broxh, is there origin story from the sun in Maori? I've never heard of one before as far as I know. Maybe in Papa Split. Yeah, pretty much. Like, the only origin story that I know is the one with Maui. That's like the only interaction that I've been taught. There might be one. But yeah, no, I wouldn't know the origins of the sun. Good question though. Gonna figure that out now, if there is one. Chur Whanau, cheer my bro. You're doing all good, brother. Doing all good. Just getting some progress down for the day. All good, all good. I got two more. Greetings from Spain. Hope you have a nice day. Hey, Bodegas. Thank you very much for being here, my bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're good as? Nah, I'm okay. I'm never satisfied. I'm never satisfied. I think this is average. And just gotta one-up it on the next piece. Pretty much, yeah. That's just how I've always been, like, from when I started. Like, it's alright, could always be better. It's just the way that I've been, or the way I've been pretty much, yeah, since I was young. Not that it's alright, hey, you're too late, mate. Too late, mate. Whittle Hiddles, thank you very much for the sub. Welcome to the stream. And much appreciated for subbing as well. Okay, let's do these. Hasn't gone to sleep yet. And one Benson, thank you for subbing as well, brother. One moment, chat. I'll just do these last two. Okay, always done. That's one. Next one. So I'm just doing the last two. Move with it. And then I'll be back with you, chat. Last one. Whew. Hello from the Grand Canyon. Oh, damn. Hello, brother. Is that where you're living, my bro? The Grand Canyon. That's pretty buzzy, not gonna lie. Hey, there he is. What's your hardest habit to kick when it comes to carving that you learn was wrong or bad? Jeez. Ah, that's a good question. Fuck yeah. Chew my bro. It's the afternoon. I shouldn't be using my brain that much. What's your hardest habit to kick when you carving that you learn was wrong or bad? So probably so pakatis, which is grits on your items last night. Oh, cheer my bro. When are you jumping over to Arugo? Bro, I keep getting DMs of when I'm gonna start playing Rogue, eh? I told them as soon as Taurens can be Rogue. Yeah, so there was a certain design and process that I was supposed to follow, but I was doing my own. And I was struggling with it all the time, and yeah, my tutor kept going, "Dude, this is how you do it." And I was being stubborn. I was like, no, I've got a process. He goes, "Dude, this one." Then had to bite the bullet. I need to do it soon. Yeah, bro. You still playing Hearthstone, bro? Oh, also, since you're the Pokemon guy, bro, where would I get Tauren Zarogs? They're called Feral Druids. How no am I playing a Feral Druid? And my question too, bro, where do I get the Nuzlocke programs from? So I want to do a Pokemon Nuzlocke challenge with randomizer on it, because I know you play a lot of Pokemon. Right, mouth done, head done, mouth done, arm done, face done. Sure. Hit me up off the stream on this. Yeah, I'll probably have to dad first, but yeah, I'll definitely hit you up. And can it only be done with Emerald? Because I want to play a Kanto version first. If it can only be done with Emerald, then I don't mind. But for me, Kanto's the best. The best. Alright. How's it looking so far? So we gotta do this side now. Oh, I still haven't done this leg. I'll do that. There's tons of them. Oh, cool. Yo, Sturdy, thank you for the bits, my bro. Who's my favourite? I'll probably play the, like, two-dimensional ones first. Cool, me. Yeah, I'm keen as my bro. Just to give it a go. Yeah, I gotta get to 70 before Sunday for Karazhan. Shouldn't be too hard, I'm like 3 bars off 69. Alright, let me get my chisel chit. And that's us. It's us. Started your tunes. I'll probably start them as soon as, but the bros were saying we'll do the runs as soon as possible. I'm gonna do a bit of a challenge too. So I'm gonna try and do a challenge where so it's gonna be a bit like a hardcore WoW leveling. Ooh, I don't know what to call it. But every time I die, that's a burpee. And I'm gonna try and get to 70 as fast as I can. To make it even more excruciating, I'm gonna play warrior. Maybe a bad decision in my case, but if it gets some laughs, I'm in. Hey, Mike! Gonna try and figure out how to get a burpee counter too. On TBC. Haven't really been feeling retail lately. But with the updates I see them going in the right direction. Get the boosties. Oh, I'll try and play it properly. To a certain point anyway. I just trying to put a bevel in these border lines at the moment. Whew. Hit Masters by the end of the season for tank and support. Was so far away from GM though. What's that for, bro? Oh, is this for low? Grandmaster? Overwatch. Oh, true. Fire, because I hear you can only have like one tank now, eh? I was like, Ratchet. Can't I play a Reinhardt DPS anymore? It's the only way I ever played him, really. So that was pretty. I was pretty gutted about that. Still 2 tanks for now. Oh, okay. Yeah, man, I haven't touched Overwatch in a while. If I get the bug, I'll come back, but I highly doubt it. Alright, there you go. Okay, that one will need to be changed around. Hello, Ditson. Go. Turn them over. 'cause I'll accept you as you are. You won't be denied, 'cause I'm satisfied with your love. You don't have to be a star, baby, just to be in my show. You don't have to be a star, baby, just to be in my show. Somebody, nobody knows. Okay, better stop singing, otherwise DMCA. That is a very banger of a song. I like that song. And Brandy, that's our main song. I said, Brandy, you're a fine girl with a good wife.